Okay, this is another tutorial that I'm doing on translation for mainly exercise 3D, but I guess the whole of chapter 3. Now, we have an ordinary parabola here, y equals x squared, and it's translated 2 units to the right, and then it's translated 3 units down. What is its new equation? So we have this old equation, y equals x squared. Now, we're translating that old equation to a new equation, and that'll be something in terms, some sort of parabola which is the same, and this is the new equation. So what's happening to the old points on this parabola that we can translate them to the new points on the parabola? Well, let's have a look at it, I guess a step at a time. Now we've gone through two translations. If we pick any point on this old parabola, yx, and then it says 2 units right. Okay. Well, that would mean that if we were moving it right, the x values would go up by 2, because if you shuffle any x value or any point, say 1, 3, 2 to the right, that would be 3, 3. So the x value has gone up by 2. Now what happens if we do the next one? 3 units down, so 3 units down, x plus 2. Now let's see, 3 units down. If we translated this point here again, 3 units down, we'd get to 3, 0. So that would mean any value y, we could take 3 off it, and this will be what happens to our old points to get them to our new points. So that would mean our new point, a new x value would be equal to that, and our new y value would be equal to that. So we could say x plus 2 is equal to the new x value, and the old y value minus 3 is equal to the new y value. Now if we switch these around, so we get the old x value is equal to the new x value minus 2, we could also get the old y value is equal to the new y value plus 3. Now we know y is equal to x squared. Let's substitute this in for the y here and this in for the x here. So that would mean, in place of y we'd get the new y value plus 3, and the new x value and the old x value would be equal to the new x value minus 2 all squared. Now if we move that across there, we'll find out that our graph is equal to this. Alright, so this is our new graph that's been translated from the old graph. So the old graph has been translated 2 units right and 3 units down, and here's our equation right here. Alrighty, well I hope that helped, and I'll see you in class.